Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are in the bathroom and we need to change this radiator because it leaks. It's got a point of rust and it leaks water, so that's not good. It was pretty difficult for us to find one which can go on the same support or wall anchors, but finally we got one and we're going to change it. First of all, when you have something like this, what you need to do, not to make a lot of water, is to close the valve from this side and from the other side. So this is the return and this is the feed, let's say. So you need to close the feed. If you have something like this or something similar or different or whatever, you just need to close it. And on the return side, you usually have something like this. And you can close it with an Allen key or with a screwdriver flathead like it's here. So this one is already closed because we don't want water everywhere. So now we're going to open it, we're going to take it out and put a new one. So for this operation we only need, for hours we only need, first of all it's an Allen key, second it's a 30 to 32 millimeters key that's going to go here, as you can see. Okay, and the other one is this special key which goes inside and is going to open this one and this one here, so this part of the valve. These two will go on the other radiator, and also you're going to need to take down the valve over here and to put it on the new one. Why don't we put new valves? Because these ones are not leaking, are okay, and why to change something if it's already working? So let's start. So the Allen key will be used to unscrew these anchors, all three of them. And how are we going to do that? We're going to take out the cap and then unscrew it. And like this. Okay, it's down. And like this, we are going to be able to take down the radiator. Okay? So now we saw this, and now let's go and open the radiator itself. We're going to need a bucket for us to be able to open this one. We have no pressure right now. So it seems that there is no water coming, and probably we need to open the above breather. And by the way, if you want, you can use a pliers or a vice grip kind, and we also need a 19 or 20 or 21, depending on what you have here, to open the breather. This is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to unscrew it. Heard the air, the breather it's out, it looks decent. And now let's see, do we have some water coming? We have a lot of water coming, so gently. So I believe this was it. Let me show you how bad it is. It's like this, oh my god. I didn't expect for it to be clean, but this is bad. Going to throw it out and I'll get back. It's still dripping a little bit, but I think it's okay. Now we're going to clean a little bit here. And I'm going to put this underneath, so if it wants to drip, to have, this one, it's okay. And now let's unscrew the other one, again with the 30 key. I need two hands, just a second. Okay. In theory we could have, a little bit of water on this side also, but they are communicating, so it shouldn't be a lot. No, it was only what was left on this side probably. Let's then unscrew this Allen screws. Probably here, if you just want to make sure that you're not going to break it or fell on the floor, to have somebody that can help you with another set of hands, if you feel that, if you feel so. I'm not saying it's mandatory, it could be useful. Normally the radiator will not fall, as it is still hanging on by a thread indeed, but it's still hanging on. So all of the 3 anchors are down. This one it's unscrewed, this one it's unscrewed. Now we're going to take it down and unscrew the valves. I'm going to show you in a second. I needed to move outside as the radiator was still dripping and the water was black and red and all the colors of the world and the rainbow and whatever. I was afraid not to ruin all the bathroom. So here we are. Oh, it got plenty of other starting points, as you can see. But weirdly, all the water came from that one. So yeah, so now we need to unscrew these ones. And these ones are screwed in the radiator, and in theory at least, you could put a vice grip here and undo them, or here, but it's complicated. Or you can put a very big screwdriver here, and as you can see you have 2 thingies here, and open it. But somebody created something like this, a conical key which goes in, and it's for multiple dimensions, on which you put a key and then start, undo it, and at some point it's done and you can do it with your hand, and it's here, and we're going to clean this up. And the same on the other side. Okay, and this was it, and this had something here, I don't know, probably kind of Teflon tape, I don't know. Okay, so let's clean this and go back inside to put a new one. After a little bit of cleanup, we have the new radiator, which is this one. We just need to unbox it and then start the process of mounting up. Here are the brackets, but we already have the brackets. It's 3 white brackets, but we already have 3 white brackets. So yeah, let's open it. And now for the new radiator, we need to put the valves back. It has some plugs for the humidity probably to not go in, or I don't know exactly. We're going to put a little bit of Teflon tape on them, just a little bit, just to, let's say, to make sure that if there is something bad, it's going to be resolved with this one. There are multiple ways to use this. Some of you will say, no, there's not multiple ways, there is only one way and you're doing it bad. Yes, you are right, I'm doing it bad. But there is a guy that says something like, is it such a dumb idea if it's working? I hope not. Okay, so let's slowly. Okay, now do the other one. Same, a little bit of Teflon tape. Usually you shouldn't put any, because it got a rubber seal from the factory. But again, just to make sure that everything is okay. I'm sure that all of you can do it better, and I encourage you to do it. That's all. And now what is remains is to put it back in place. And then we're going to put the breather and the rest. So let's try and mount it or put it in place. Something like this. First I'm going to put these two brackets because I'm afraid that it's going to fall on me or down on the ground, and it's bad as well. So just to put them here, not completely tightened, but just a little bit, not to fall. So if it wants to go down, we have something that is going to catch it. So now, seems to be here, it's not going to fall. So now, let's go down. So I have this one, which needs to go on its place, like this, and we're going to tighten it. And this one, as you can see, the guys that did it, it's a little bit crooked, but there is no problem with that. We can make it work. Just need to press everything in place, and then it's going to be okay. It's nothing that we can do at this moment because I'm not going to pull the pipe from the wall and redo everything. This doesn't need any type of Teflon tape as it is conical inside, and it also have a rubber seal. So just going to tighten it and everything will be okay. Now let's put the breather. I'm going to take this out. We're going to take the breather and put it here. This one can be moved, so that's not the problem. It got a screw here, and we need to open that one with a flat screwdriver, a small one, for us to be able to vent the radiator when the water is going to come in. Let's tighten these ones. This must be done with two hands. Like this. And on the other side as well. And now let's screw this in. And before breaking, I'm going to stop. Okay, put the caps back. Oh, and this is it. And now we just need to start the heater and with the breather to flush the radiator. I've put the thermostat outside, so it's going to start any minute now. And until then I'm going to put some more pressure into the boiler, because as we are going to fill in the new radiator and use the breather to flush it, we will lose a lot of pressure, probably 1 bar. So I've put now 1.5 bar. Actually we can try and bleed it just like this because we already have pressure in the system. But yeah, let's see. And now it's starting. So it's even better because now the pressure will grow as the pump is working and the temperature is rising. Yep, so let's see. So as we have pressure, let's start by letting the water in on this side, letting the water out on this side. Also some say that it's better to do the flushing when you don't open everything, but yeah, the air is not going to go anywhere. Why? Because everything is up there. I mean, from here to there, up there. So it's not going to go anywhere. I took a rag. Let's open it and see what is going to come out. Of course, we have air. Let's see now. Is this enough pressure to fill all up? Yes, it's water, clean water. Just tight it back. You can do it by hand at the beginning, and then we're just going to close it completely. Okay, let's clean our mess. Oh, the radiator, it's already hot. Getting hot, sorry, not hot. Okay, let's put some more pressure in the system. So we're still very, very low. Okay, so we're going to, because it's not heated up yet, I'm going to make it just 0.7 or so. And we're going to see in the next days what's going to happen and set up everything. So the hot water is running through our radiator. It's already getting hot. It's not hot yet, it's normal because, and it's all the way up on the right, in the middle. Here at the bottom it's a little bit colder, which is absolutely normal. And now let's see if there are any bubbles, water, dripping, whatever. And it seems that not. We will wait and see for another day, let's say, but you don't need that. When everything is going to be heated up completely, I mean the water, and the pressure will be like something like 2 bar, then you'll be able to see if you have issues or not. But I'm sure that we're not going to have any issues. So this is the way, a way to change your bathroom radiator. Thank you a lot for watching. Consider subscribing, ringing that bell. Leave me a message please if you think that I've done something wrong or bad or not good enough, or just if you want to say something. Thank you. Have a nice one. Bye.